As energy storage systems are increasingly installed in noise-sensitive environments, low-noise operation has become a key customer requirement. Under low-power operating conditions, the liquid cooling unit remains inactive, helping further reduce over-system noise. Today, we are validating the noise performance of the Wenergy 261 kWh ESS cabinet to verify operation below 14.5 dB at all measuring points under low-power operation. We are testing the 261 kWh liquid-cooled BESS under full power operation to validate its real-world noise performance. The testing result shows that our 261 kWh ESS cabinet maintains operating noise below 60 dB at all measuring points under full power operation. Wenergy will continue optimizing product performance to deliver safer, more efficient, and quieter energy storage solutions.